Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
And take years to be able to make money. With other programs, it would take you 30 trades to make 10K. But with my system, it will only take 6 trades.
So guys, I tell you all the time, be on the lookout for online courses.
No way. No way.
Is that Daddy crying? Yeah. Is it because Facebook earnings? No, that was before. Now it's something different. Wait for the butt crack. Ew! That was very dramatic.
Make sure it's focused. Shout out to Mo for buying me this. I appreciate it. We're gonna have a good time during this review. I have nothing inspirational to say, except, yeah, I have nothing. It's good stuff. What's up, everyone? Welcome to my channel. I am Mark, and you're watching Trading with a Dummy, the place where you get entertained. Keyword is entertained. First, there are plenty of channels out there where you get educated, and obviously you come to this show to get a mixture of both, and hopefully I've been providing that. So without further ado, let's get into it. Now, I've gotten asked to review this group for the past 6 months, so here it is. Now, I will say this isn't a trading group, it's more of a investing program or a fan club. Yeah, fan club. You'll decide at the end what you think, and then we'll just go from there. Before we get started, if you are easily triggered by someone's opinion, you may want to skip this one. If you are easily triggered by memes, my channel probably isn't the one for you. And if you're triggered by wanting to be triggered, and I may trigger you, so you may want to go to a trigger-free zone. Does that make sense? Hope you caught that. Look, I'm not everyone's cup of tea, but boy, when you taste my cup of tea, it's pretty good. But we got that out the way, and I think that was enough disclaimers out there, so seriously, let's get into it. Enough talking. Let's break down the Red Panda Stock Club review.
If you smell what the Rock is cooking.
It's too much excitement. Tone it down a little bit. Before I review Red Panda Stock Club, I want to be very clear on a few things. First, it was very difficult to do this review, and I was very conflicted because I had to put myself in other people's shoes as a paying customer because I got into the group for free back in 2020 through a scholarship. Secondly, I specifically caught the investing bug because of Ian Dunlap, and had it not been for seeing someone like him investing, I probably would have never gotten into the game. And third, this will not be a pocket watching with JT episode. It's gonna be way worse. I'm kidding. Well, I don't know. You decide at the end. With that being said, let's get into it. Red Panda is an educational investment program created by Ian Dunlap, who is a futures trader, a long-term investor, and a self-proclaimed greatest investor of this generation.
Because I was made for this sewer, baby, and I am the king!
It says that on his bio. I didn't make this up. I'm not even sure if it's joking or not. Look, my IG says I'm a fashion beauty, Satoshi Nakamoto, and I have a 100% win rate. So I'm not sure if he's being serious or not. He may just be on his Kanye moment right now. Who knows?
I just told you who I thought I was. A god.
But
Hell no. You serious right now, son? I'm the motherfucking king of investments. I'm the one who said Tesla's going to motherfucking 800. That was me. I'm the one who said the market was gonna go up and down sometime soon. I'm always right. I said Square's gonna go to 80 some motherfucking dollars. Ain't no one else saying that shit. That was me, son. Now all of a sudden nobody wants to give me my motherfucking ramen noodles up in this motherfucker? Well, because he's on YouTube and shit, got that nice crisp haircut, those nice big muscles, nice juicy voluptuous ass lips, perfect skin, deep ass Vin Diesel like voice. I'm just pointing out facts, you know what I'm saying, son? I'm not hitting on this motherfucker. I'm just saying this is facts, you know what I'm saying? No, I ain't about that gay shit, man. You know, just like, man.
look, man, I know you've been locked up for a while, but I can tell you, and I think the audience can agree, it's okay. It's widely accepted, however you want to live. Nobody cares anymore. This isn't the 80s. This isn't the 90s. We've progressed quite a bit. People are very accepting.
Not about that shit, man.
All right. All right, let's continue. But no, he is not the greatest investor of our generation. We all know who that is. It's Nancy Pelosi and Dan Crenshaw. Who we kidding? Come on. Ina is also 1/3 member of EYL Market Mondays, one of the top financial and business literacy podcasts on Apple Podcasts and within the top 50 on Spotify. That's a huge accomplishment. They also get some pretty solid views each Monday on YouTube as well. Speaking of YouTube, did you subscribe to my channel yet? I'm just curious. Just saying, you could just click right there. Just click. Just like, share, subscribe. Click that bell button if you want to get notified every single time I drop a video. Enough begging. All right, what do you get when you join Red Panda? According to the website, you get a watch list of top tier companies, 3 stocks to invest in if the market crashes, 3 stocks to grab if it goes into a recession, exit prices when needed, the easiest way to buy stocks in less than 2 minutes, the tool to always know when the stock is going. I'm gonna stop right there. There's a lot of fluff there. Let me tell you what you actually get, which is somewhat what I just presented off of his website, but it's kind of a space filler. See, I do the same thing on my real estate photography business. It just looks nice and it looks like you're getting a lot for your money. But let's go over what you actually get. The course is through Kajabi, which is like an all-in-one business education platform like Teachable or Gumroad. Once you open up the course, you're greeted with several thumbnails for everything he covers. It's a series of stock footage videos or a PowerPoint-like template with Ian voice talking over it about things that he mentioned earlier. For example, one of the modules is a 20-minute video of him talking about his 4 favorite books and why he likes them.
Tools of Titans. Tim Ferriss. Tools of Titans. It's in alignment with Money Master the Game, where it's a thicker book.
Or a 2-minute video of him talking about the 2 stocks you should buy if the market crashes. It's a total of 7 modules, not including the welcome module and what you get module. Then he has around 7 Zoom replay videos from the Stock Club calls since he started. So no, you do not get a replay from every single session. And then there are 5 videos from Market Mondays recordings. I'm not sure if y'all remember, but there was a period of time where basically Ian would do pre-recorded video lessons and he would play it on Market Mondays. Those are the ones that you see in the program. And the newest edition, which is the anticipated Holy Trinity. All right, spoiler alert. It's the recording of his performance at EYL InvestFest, followed by another slideshow on his thoughts and rules to day trading, swing trading, short-term trading, and the risk to reward number you should look for. For example, if you risk $1, you should be looking for $10. Then he touches on the futures trading with some seriously risky number of contract formula with a certain amount of ticks that has to really align perfectly in the futures market for you to reach $800,000 a year trading 5 times, without mentioning the severe risk if that shit backfires.
You ain't spent $13 million of your own money trying to empower yourself.
Yes, but
That deserves a shot, because I'm telling you, if you use that formula and if that stuff backfires on you, good luck to your life savings. You know, seeing that stuff on the screen is all gravy and it's fun and it sounds exciting, but you have to have some serious capital to be willing to put on the line, and I'm not sure if people realize that, especially the ones who don't dabble in the futures market. I'm telling you, that formula in the Holy Trinity, it's scary, like deadly scary.
I'm gonna kill myself!
Wow.
I'm going to kill myself, and it's your fault!
Also, with that whole futures trading program that he offers for free, it's just basically an EMA line, and it doesn't work. Sorry. What I meant to say was, in my personal opinion, I don't think the EMA works. The EMA is an indicator from the past, not the current. Not only that, the EMA is an average true range. So technically it just kind of shows you the average, which means you probably will likely get chopped if you just execute on those lines. There we go. I'm covered. It's just my opinion. Just my opinion. I mean, if you guys use it and you've been successful with it with live money, please tell me. Drop a comment below and I'll put my foot in my mouth. I won't actually do that, but you get what I'm saying. I don't think I can even do it. I'm not that flexible. Nope. Need to do some more DDP yoga.
Emotions for the diamond cutter. The power bomb set up by Page. I did the diamond cutter. I don't believe it.
And then once a month, he will drop the price target he believes a certain stock will reach that he likes. It's mostly the same ones he always talks about on Market Mondays, like Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, VOO, Tesla, the main heavy hitters. I will give credit where credit is due. The prices he gives mostly hit. I would say it's like a 60-40 ratio. There are a few that don't hit, but that's expected. I mean, no one's gonna be 100%, but if they don't hit or if they completely blow below the price target that he gives, it's just not reposted on social media. He won't brag about it. Now, if you join simply to get the price targets for buying in, you should probably look at supply and demand. I'm just saying, on a daily chart, you know, you'll be surprised how close that really is. So, that is what you get in the Red Panda Stock Club program on Kajabi. Accompanying the Red Panda Stock Club, you also get access to the private Telegram group, which I want to touch on so people understand this Telegram group. It's not a two-way conversation. It's a channel Telegram group, meaning the only person that can post anything or write anything in a group is Ian himself. Wait, so what do you get in a Telegram group? That's a good question. What you get in Telegram group are occasional voice messages from Ian, repost articles from CNBC, MSNBC, Fox Business, reposts of YouTube videos, threats, advertisements of shows he will be on, polls, reminder, and cancellation notices of weekly Zoom sessions, and so on. That's it. Nothing else. Last but not least, there are weekly 10-minute Zoom sessions that if you get an opportunity and get picked to get unmuted, you can ask some price targets for stocks you are eyeing or ask questions without any stipulation. So yeah, you can come with a list of stocks and ask for price targets if you want. I can tell you this, the 10-minute sessions, they barely ever stay 10 minutes. They usually always go longer. He definitely over delivers on these 10-minute sessions. It goes anywhere from 30 minutes to 2 hours. But here is the caveat. Sometimes he will use the extra time as rollover, meaning that you get a message saying, hey, I did an hour last week, so I'm going to skip this week. I need rest. Doesn't happen often throughout the year, but it has happened. What has happened too often, especially recently, was cancellation of the 10-minute session, but I'll touch on that later. So in short, you have to be flexible with the Zoom session because there was a period of time where he would meet up right after Market Mondays, and then it was a short period of time where it went from Monday through Friday, and that didn't last very long. Then it changed to Saturdays only, and then to Sundays only, and now it's another day. I think it's now again after Market Mondays. You just have to be flexible when it comes to the schedule for the Zoom sessions. All right, let's talk about the communication level. As mentioned, you get access to the Telegram group, but like I said, it's only a one-way conversation. I was fortunate enough and lucky enough to have been able to reach Ian for the most of the time in Red Panda simply because I got to know him and the guys of EYL prior to them really blowing up. So I had the option and the opportunity to basically communicate with him outside of the Red Panda. But the average person, you, the paying customer, will likely not be able to. You get an email address to write to, but to be honest, it's kind of like a black hole from what I hear. It's probably because he gets like thousands of emails to go through every single day, and he probably can't get back to every single person. And then there's also IG, same situation. There's probably thousands of people that reach out to him on IG, can't get back to every single person. So there's definitely a lack of accessibility to Ian himself. Like I said again, on the Zoom sessions, you might get the opportunity to talk to him, but it's kind of like a hit or miss depending on how many people he picks and how much time each individual takes up. All right, let's talk about pricing. That's what you guys really want to know about, right? Pricing. If you go to joinredpanda.com, he has two options. The Alpha, aka the Dream Team, which is more focused on futures trading, that goes for $40,000, which is not what I'm covering. I've never been in it. I've spoken to a few people who have, but I won't speak on something that I haven't experienced myself. So I'll leave that one completely alone. I think JT, the Pocket Watcher, already covered that. The other option is the Red Panda Stock Club, which is what I was part of, which costs $10,000 a year, which is what I basically just covered on what you get. Sometimes you can catch a special for about $2,500 a year, and sometimes you can even catch another special for $300 a month. And from what I hear now, it will fluctuate like the market, he said. And now again, I don't know if he's joking or what, but
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
I don't really know where to put the price. It's anywhere from $300 to $10,000. There you go. That was a rundown of Red Panda Stock Club, y'all. At this point, I think I fulfilled your FOMO, curiosity and interest in Red Panda. Now we're gonna get to the part with my thoughts. It's like a movie review, right? This is the spoiler part. So if you got what you wanted to hear, I guess this is the part where you can tune off. Remember, subscribe, like, and share. But if you want to hear my personal opinion, you can stay for this part.
My dad is long-winded, so I decided to cut this video short. Click on the next video if you want to watch part 2 about my dad's own opinion.
Don't uncover your ears.
Check out our episodes, guys and girls.
Yes, and you guys cover your ears real quick. Shout out to the dumbasses in the dummy zone. We're doing good work, y'all. Keep it up. Guess we just wait here while people click on the next video episodes. The McDonald's, the Tesla. She still got her ears covered. I see.
I heard everything.
Did you?